Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Express Mathematics. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rewrite the inequality using absolute value sign. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So now, without delay, I'll start my today's topic. Here it is given that x is bigger than -5, lesser than 7, and we need to write this without using absolute value sign. Okay, so to use absolute value, to write this without using absolute value sign, the property of the absolute value, which I had called important in last video, that can be used. I am going to state that once again. That is, absolute value of x is strictly lesser than a if and only if x is bigger than -a, lesser than a. This property we had proved. That means if we can show this, then from this we can also write absolute value of x lesser than a. That is, if we write this again, then if x is bigger than -a, lesser than a, from this also we can write absolute value of x lesser than a. Okay, because this also implies this, and this side also implies this side. So first of all, we will try to make this in this form. Here and in this place we have to make same number, only sign different, then we can be able to write in this form. For that, what we will do is we add these two together and divide by 2. How much we will get? We will subtract from each sides. Let's do that. Here -5 plus 7 over 2, that will be 2 over 2 will get, that equals to 1, and subtracting 1 from each sides, subtracting 1 from each sides. Okay, from subtracting 1 from each sides of the given inequality, we get, so x is x minus 1. From this word separated, from this also we subtract 1, and here also we subtract 1. While subtracting same quantity from the inequality sign does not change, so lesser than symbol as it is we have written. Now this implies here will be -6, -5 and -1 adding together -6, lesser than x minus 1 here in the middle, lesser than here 6. Now it has become in this form. In place of x we have x minus 1. Okay, now it has become in this form. So in place of a we have a 6. So if the inequality is in this form, we can write absolute value of x lesser than a. In place of x we have x minus 1. So using this formula, what we can write, this implies absolute value of x minus 1 is lesser than 6. Okay, so here this inequality, now we are able to write in this form using absolute value sign. Here was no absolute value sign, only inequality sign, but here we were able to write using absolute value sign. Okay, in this way easily we can change the inequality using absolute value sign. Now let's look at next question. Here also inequality is given, and the same procedure we follow. We add this -4 and -1, and we have to divide this by 2. -4 minus times plus minus 1 over 2, that will be -5 over 2, and what we will do is subtracting subtracting minus 5 over 2 from each side of above inequality, we have, so here minus 4 minus 5 over 2 x minus 5 over 2 minus 1 minus 5 over 2, subtracting minus 5 over 4 from each side of the given inequality. Minus 4 minus times minus is plus 5 over 2 lesser or equals to x minus times minus plus 5 over 2 lesser or equals to minus 1 minus times minus plus 5 over 2 we can write. And now let us simplify. 2 4 is 8 minus 8 plus 5 over 2 lesser or equals to 2 times x 2x plus 5 over 2 lesser or equals to 2 times 1 minus 2 plus 5 over 2. Now we will get minus 3 over 2 lesser or equals to 2x plus 5 over 2 lesser or equals to 3 over 2. Now multiplying each side of the inequality by 2, here minus 3 over 2 times 2 lesser or equals to 2x plus 5 over 2 multiplied by 2 lesser or equals to 3 over 2 multiplied by 2. We can multiply each side of the inequality by any positive quantity so that the sign of the inequality sign does not change. Multiplying the inequality by positive number, the sign of the inequality does not change. So now this 2 cancels, this cancels, now this can be cancelled, and we have the property of the absolute value, which I have already stated. I am stating it once again. If x is bigger than minus a, lesser than a, then this implies absolute value of x lesser than a. So using this property, here we have got minus 3 in this side, so equals to here 2x plus 5, here to 3. So if you include inequality sign here, it is same like that. Here in place of a we have 3, here also in place of a we have 3, then in place of x we have 2x plus 5. So using absolute value sign, we can write this as 2x plus 5 absolute value sign lesser or equals to 3, okay, which is the required inequality, is the required inequality with absolute value sign. Okay, in this way easily we can change the inequality into the another inequality having absolute value sign. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it right now so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.